Technology is always making an impact on business. I think there's a sort of strong feeling among people my age or a bit younger that the internet changed everything. And I think the internet did change everything, but I also think electricity changed everything just over a century ago. Mass production changed everything. Globalization changed everything. I mean, you know, disruption is not just a kind of 21st century phenomenon. I think we are at the tail end, you might say, of some technologies. The web is now pretty familiar. We've seen it disrupt lots of businesses, and we're about to get a new wave of lots of new technologies or developments from the web. We've had social media, AI, artificial intelligence, I'm sure will displace things. Now, what do I think the next wave is going to be and what's it going to do? I don't have any special insight. For me, I would say white-collar jobs of a more routine kind, but which have required quite a lot of brain power. These are the kinds of things which I can see technology displacing. Please welcome the stage, a genuine robot, Artie! So the kinds of examples I suppose one might have in mind would be things like actuaries. It's a very difficult thing to be, and yet it seems to be possible that AI would, change that job very fundamentally, or accountancy perhaps, or quite a few jobs.
I understand you like it when comedians complain. So, you know what really pushes my buttons? That guy, that's it. It's a depressing existence.
And so where does it change business? I think it sort of moves business towards the things that machines can't do. The machines will do the stuff that they can do. The humans will do the stuff things machines can't do. Of which, by the way, there are many examples. It's going to be a long time before you have a machine that can do the gardening. A long time before you can have a machine that is a prison officer. I mean, there are lots of things that machines are going to struggle with. But I do think it's important to stress that even though technology is going to disrupt some industries, we are very, very used to technology disrupting industries. We've seen a lot of disruption in the last 20 years, and there was a lot of disruption in decades past as well.
Get more from the Open University. Check out the links on screen now.